the pano. Appear you one and of your bono. Quando te pano, Magito, Pia you woman of your woman, Pia you woman of your woman, Quando te compane, que no murió yo. Quando te, apia you wanna quando te quando te apia you wow, que no murió yo. Madame, appear you are. Nova America. I want Golorio War.
Good evening, my darling Joy. How are you doing? Happy weekend, guys.
I went New York, but I dinner. I want me in my canna Mayfield. I have a live video presenter here. You know, Pama, me over the way. Zabu Nivesi, Nuni, Uke Parania Wa, here where you
share the video, guys. Happy weekend, everyone.
Here, woman, I fear you want no your food. Okay, I have it. I'm not a no.
Thank God, my darling. Happy start to you, my darling. I will tell you, Baba. Such is life.
Mumagi, your savior, and me. Appear you are, meant to. I'm back one of the Pano. I'm back one of the Pano.
There you are, and of your boy. May I so rest in peace. Hello everyone, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. That depends on the location where you are watching me. It's your one and only mommy Suzy Suzy, your sexy grandma. How are you guys doing? Good evening everyone. Today's message is still also to Mama Ego. Some people are going to wonder, say, Mommy Suzy, why you they drag Iyego, or why you they send message to Iyego? Me, I they fish, I they say something from the point where something they come from. Yeah, we can make it laha. Ibana kezo worry, my people. You know, say everybody they blame whosoever they want to blame. Some people they are fighting themselves because it gives some money. They don't. I don't have time for that. Okay, once you are a giver, you are a giver. I don't give anybody who won't give money. That one not concern me. But the one will concern me for inside, I be this one. Anybody will get hand for this woman body, physically, spiritually, okay, knowingly or unknowingly, will get hand for this woman. Death, we just let her make go like that. Okay, we no let her stay making enjoy the fruit of her labor. That person, now only God, now you know the kind of sickness where you want to give that person. Who does abwa osalobwa ogagoma gbina. Imam osaloba logan imam managbo. Baba le babo gbavi no ohori no. Nogi mo bobo physically o spiritually o omani e o oma e o. We no na ege mi o balo e no. Omani si egbe o olele kugbe o egbe kenori gaje baba ne baba. Gi omani beju lebo kia ya va mi no je. Nu mi na ya bo ya baba. Cause mo khona saloba gele yebe no gele dame, honestly speaking. Because like I said before, I'm still saying it. The reason why they accuse Yego na be this one. Before I accuse Yego, I always they make point for they make point where they go. Okay? Una no say so of people that they call me that they so say mama blah 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 blah. Okay, good and fine. Everybody get right for his or her opinion. I am still saying it. The reason, the part where they pay me for is where they take this thing. You go take this lady for granted. You understand? You go see your be a point yaga hit a my wagging a hameti begekini and I'm a rob way. But you see your be. I'm still saying it. Oh, there we are going to okay. According to the explanation or what she told me herself, you go. Where all we ne ogisi tali nona owo na pakapaka yena ka ma welele umigo bo boy. Okay, o mata ma we gi ma we mama when ya dija the person wa mi go bo boy we to bo when na ya mugbi na we no jo bo una be betray there una agwa we kia una claim mi gbi oda fun uhin iye go wo ko gbe I wish wa ti la dia no wa apologize that one na emi pue kenime ya pitch bugwe yego me pa egeru gbeje odo eti we o ekeni total you na Wahala we bumi ate you understand because me ma dey gbo ma bugwe dugwe ka be exist back I don't know eke me total you we na Wahala we bumi ate because hardly before me ke was say if we pay John Imagine I don't have friends people that have they are my brothers and sisters but you got pick up on the way just say me na hina I can make friends for 20 years 30 years yeah we my Nezo ayare ma ko age mi wune gberi ya yo ma no kwa biye fe ihin igwa si obalo yo ma gbo ba be si yo me gbe okay iyego e o se re na ta wo he wo na gbe we believe go wo na erere ogwemu zebegbe osoja nuka jini iya we igbe aga bobo yo wodo recess ojo e kafte because when we yes erere ogwe abri wash ono se na mi egwu na pe kogie o devil Nina we ono se runa pe kugie. E point ni megebe life video na nuwa ga wagume gwa hite even oje. One. Okay. Obi abi mini gizo se. Obi e ma like una ka ma gwe lele ori go nu e. Okay, we to bugwa ve juru gwe ate diseti meme. Guna ka ma gwu mi go bo boy o ma no wi jo bo nu e. That means you will still get that. No your friend there or mi go bo boy. Are you getting me? Because of the money, not because of you love that girl. Because if you really love this lady, good evening, everyone. Only now a day for our. After everything, a lady everybody, all of them, they saga this lady on social media, which all of you know. Even though the go carry phone, they accuse this woman on your water. Because we're waking. Una saga okay. Usaga lady na this lady on a stroke in life wearing on a pa. O stroke panel or pa. Okay. Do we give me motive there? We might wear on the saga de no pa ne. No what pay no money about what we come watch your work be. Okay. We go watch your work be or pay the man I lay accusation and where don't trust woman okay. O kona pa ne. O viera vi juwe. Now when the bay I spoke, I don't know how they met. Voice the woman I come out to who are equal. O devo ni kiana ko na kina. O kari okpa o magbae ave lopo me koyo. Ona ave deni amagwalo na ave do lopo me koyo amaboko na maeku. Oko na asa no wane no ya saga me ya mo agwajo mo pon. O maria ewa. Una si gbe no ya fede. Mabugwe e wotu gwe e to tebe mare e. O tu ebe lele because o tu ebe de desperate. Ugwe lele wa be mi ebo lobo. Because we get no via mi na lele. O be bo lobo gwe wana ya bia yu wa wana ya ki obi ugbo. Okogbo no wa ya na ya atinyai. O be ma. Oni be problem. Sometimes o ma yo ma so mi na, o ma yo ma so mi down. Iwe me se gbo ma bia gbo ni ri o ga ri ape ba asa yin. That is one thing he believe in. Okay? A lot of people take this lady for granted. Are you getting me? But it's okay, no problem. God knows the best. And if you go iga home, where eti jaji o, because when me ye ekita ya petan, or wa si awi udinye, una ati ebo no anori nyogbon. Ekita wetin ye fi awa webo egbiyen, ye ri nyogbon ma webo ado gbiyen. Iye go gumeta ma wen. We are not your we keep it according to what they said because when we trust the word for anything. Yeah, we don't toy. I'm telling you, even where we ma judge they say. We don't to one way. And then we said the pitchy me. Ye kobia mimi. When no ya saga me tell you me we for. But it's okay, only a problem. We are not your men who do pay go. You can play or makosani me. Be unu me de ko we. Unu me ayakaro gu bade me akaro gi me. Yari point lele. O get a point me. Yari a point lele me time. I might you. O makpani here na kina. MTM machine you can say that today my dali ogogo. I want makpani here na kina. Ila kini secret yo mabo. My tana according to me we meta we we record it. Ogero me. No. I don't think you have any record because imatama we degero bi mego jino makama we gase no makama we gogbe me sheto makama we ge wona everything no we are we patero bi me record ni no we have already said it outside so me ma believe you me no we are ta ameni meje me se titemero bi me bi yeke ni me geta we boom that is one thing about me me na se titemero ma when e ka get the secret no that for your information as I'm a public figure I'm a presenter I'm a social media person wa mo ebo yo we me take 2 days or 3 days me me to get a secret ni do to bo me do tabi bai. Are you getting me, my people? That is one thing about me. Me gwalo ni me do ri me no weda yi no wedo ya asili me. Me we mama ni nye pa me. In fact, wo mu nye gi me. Ina we declare party ni. Wo mu nye gi me. Be me ti we me mu nye gi wo mu nye gi me. We are setting pe conversation gi ma we. E ko ari ri me. So fa nu ga ya we step by step because we are step by step. U pie saga pa ni wa gbe you efen. Efen we wa bu no. Be me get na muria. Okay, that is if you have one, and I don't take a woman. And one more me no record. E kwe kan go work pay because we are pay of a no. O fi gboko mu no. Are you getting me? So afia me de afia me yoni. You get me? Afia me yoni ye. Me ma be bege me abeta me ye ke me set it aboda o. Ah me nae, I fight. Ah le no ri ofen. Agi gukpo no fe la ro guza gi debe ki once you are big you are big. Me atebetieri bi me nata mo we yeke e la video na nata igwetieri bi mo gi zolo wo continue se wi am onyimi ije repeat e egberi we na mi okwo no bie no te how de ne iba nata na detail no so na ma we ma e o me mu anybody you get me isin aro pese me oye me no we wa be offend me na na re ni ya offend me once you offend me I get back to we re be meji ikiabu lalagba no re fo okay but Umana be gwa be mo be no mo be hot me. But we can make friend for 30 years. It's no problem. But if you think you are smart, you got to ma we. I kwe. Iya agu iya we. I kwe or agu na do kweso wa no guju wese. O ma no guju wese o gi kwese. O ize kwe na lese we. Are you getting me? So that aside, only na ya defo. Be ma do we me secret o go be me. I don't know. And if you have any you give you free ticket in one. I don't give a damn. Are you getting me? He must send. I don't send anybody. Who are close to them, I go on him mum ehi. O who he better cocoa do agua me woman with a cocoa do lion or women. The man depo one high. The only thing of when I will talk bonaya. Oh, a miami. Or for oh, woman bomb very have Yamana you're even up here walk banning, a rabbit banning. Do you understand? The only thing in Mohai or why miami or waffle. Or give Berani no worry, oh, me. We can go among our good evening, my darling. You understand? The reason in that track you were like, why are you pretending as if you don't know anything about Abiyewa? Only you know, no, by Motina Yakmoni, David Wao, Dime, you understand? Okay. The reason in that Ovia Mimina or Saga Abiyewa, which everybody know that. Is Saga Abiyewa, even from the beginning, August Ekpona reports. He started Abiyewa again when he had that Abiyewa have a relationship with Iyego brother. Hello? When he heard that he has a relationship with Iyego brother, that is when the Obiamimi started Sagari Abiyewa again. I wish Iyego stopped the relationship between Abiyewa and his brother. I don't think this lady will involve again in another saga. But you think because that woman is nice, he have a golden heart, or maybe even till now, all the name because you bring what she and Abiyewa na gawa no be like a no cause na we born. I like a segment my people. Did you know that I don't go to church? But one thing about me, you really believe him in a butter. No, I'm so sorry. If no butter, I'm bring what she me. You understand? My baby, me a go back so na. Vive, egbe matera me. Ina wa wedding me na wedding zesi na. It's a move go. No even o ma go ya su gbe so dame no ya hospital. Why ya gbo koko. Okoko we blood test we. O me no rugo we gbe a. My o mother ya reply. In as much that the church, but I understand that if you feel severe on the scientists exist, if you on the way me aregbe, a web of kokori and yon we you believe you go out with testimony or way, but that is my own mentality. In as small women that brain in there, I based 28 years in the Western world already. 28 years not be my mind. So yet it with my right or left, anything that concerns health issue. I understand. You understand? The saga and the bully is too much. It's totally too much. It's too much. Why can't I tell you not a saga? There was a time in this social media 2019. I am telling you guys. There is two people I will never forget in my life. And maximum respect to them. May God continue to bless them for me. They will live love for me. O salopa bujo bitwa. They had desire. O salopa kaya iri egyo you go no maya go. 2019, when I faced the bully of Melissa and the crew member, it was not easy, my people. That time I was not a presenter. I don't even understand what is called bullying till I was experiencing it. But I have two people who stood by me. One of my darling goddaughter that based in UK. I will never forget her. She's really a darling to me. I don't even see my old blood sister at that time. Obije me mamudia ke mo bira me mamudia ke me. Ere ni e social media na mama igba mi egbe wa o. O mudia ke me. Orun e vani. E kedi na ya na mi ya. Oye kan. That my goddaughter we dey UK. But so my be see 4 o'clock be dey ke gbe wo we. O ga gun mi aro. Okpari maya ya mo re for no we. Ima obe u de ma kraba o. Ima mi okpari de first time ya bege the face o na mo ekini picture me. Hello. Imagine lay cause on my innocent child. Are you getting me, my people? It was not easy for me. You get me? Ekbenana mi egbe je si me relationship o mi mere kedije o ma ye easy ni me that period. It was not easy. The second person, no salopwa, no depame. It's no other person, other than one of Jamie. O salopwa no la go. No you go no maya go egwe mo with Gyowaye. That is the two people I see it that through that period. Or we find me. And those two people, maximum respect to them. Other than one of Jamie. She stood by me. She supports me. With money also. Ije wa niti go tiere. Osaloba no la o meniti no kian u baba. Egu me mi no kian mi me de. Nige mi ogwe ya jo ero. O hona mie go vira viji mo kia we party there e kaso go vira mo vi yemeni. Yari ogo dame. O dame no ware jemi no ye sani e me watamu wanana. Every day she check on me, she speak with me, she support me also. I am telling you guys, here is value by me when you test social media na gbase. O ma easy, we bully. If no ma boy on boy, ha mwenyawe. Wo agbale be no aya si e. If we mani mami agbale be le to keka. The only thing I read that me any is so aka ma megwe be Melissa high. Not even there to tell me what is the next forward. They no hear forward. They no hear the next step in me. They were never there with me. But today mami aya ye kuku. It's no problem. Ma bege life in ami wanemi. U get a point in me. Eti ta nania. Ina yaziri. They mani yaziri nania. 2 people. 2 ladies. All stood by me. A daughter we no re UK. No ma meba gbon. Keke wo dani. No re jemina. Wa wageni. Ijo momo no da bi redere no yegbe dede bi omomo. No money ana gweti abi no yakoko money negeve. I am telling you guys. Not only what Gumegwa call me no me yaye. She even support me with money. Yeah. A bully my easy. Am I where I bear you what? It's not a presenter. Or marrying a where. Uwebu no na fun. Uwebu na na gbera gbije gbomo gbeta doge. Oviere ma esa no kiege. Or my esa no kiege. Even the easier go no need there the first relationship and the second relationship also sagari her. Iye go to tama me when eti where. Aga hongu we total list ya nije joy tie na. Aga hongu je joy ra tie. We be lele bi atie. We wa adim. We na miegu ma okpan ever. For your mind no we wa wo na yi. Ije go. Melele society be akin temeta. That is one thing about me. Uga have your mo be na wrong. I will tell you where you wrong. Do we obi rabi you ami me die go. That is not my problem. O get a point me because me don't care never nak bona we. Every no ya please say nak bo say no can gam you can. Just say the truth and let your truth set you free. That is just it. Okay? Iye go, we only do na feel all those mess. The jagbadastic situation of na miena. We only there yo. Umaga ave plan agbono kuona na. The only thing we ave die when I am the small boss in every cut one way amune abia you wa erere gwe. Because of you go get the no graduation yokin erere gagbaneti. O age kage amoko no jeve na kapia wa teke no keso agwa be gbabia you wa. Wo keso agwa abia be no tugwa ni sani egbeli ko pe you wa. Episode wa the only thing the beg we gbotu when our de keke. Small league no a. De ke de small league keso agwa be gbabia you wa. Wo fi ya you we do e. Una yaki okin age gbabia you wa when you do 11 aboli tun. At the end of the day no na iduwa asamo tokin age no ke. They don't know about the time I where or my society, my work. What can I can win? Iya ka bugwe can let society when one see it no. No. When my got you what society will see me. Uma egoro. Me ma be shoga bia you what almost to time when you have wabo egi kwa se we. Geo, give me no way. Iya go. You are a disgrace to motherhood. You are a betrayer from the highest level. O ma dawuki because u webu ya fefe na udie ya fe udie bia you wa udie small udie ne not no we graduation ye kene set to so ho udie u ga ifo fi ya jo bia gbo ni gbo ga de gbe na na gba e go so we o wi yen mu igo se yen gbe una ifo fe jo ugbe no to wo lobo ki ko rori ko nu o mo wa to me maka no gbe de gbe mo to lo bi o kede na wo gbe age o ji ya. Because of my name win now, we're not to our boga. Oh, first well, or since you carry where you're born or Yamuda, you have no Yagwali would here. That is just the truth. If you are born, you but to it's a matter work, it can not Gagwaji, Mataji. I have to say the truth. I don't care. In case you do when a security men are go a problem, you can come and play it. I don't give a F. You get me? I don't give a F. I'm a woman security man. We are not only like when I bought you, the work we can move about you. Team women. Team women. Because I cannot wait not one. I can me totally when I say problem with the make me totally. Me ma don't say problem with our way. Me ma go where you care here ne. wo mweti wo ligi onyaga wepo mi adeke ni tota yo womi eri amu muta gba lo selele yakian iya gba le gbere ni ahen la okay because bedu gbebeje u gbebe property ya we kia ono so na we involve bia you ware we a problem iro u pass e de yogo go daughter we una be awo iye go u se na si ye awogun ni si ta ke ba ni pare we ari egwa u se na si polua a polo we ke be na pole emile isagwe le lo to kia eri o keke na ya si we I swear to God who made me, you are the root to all those things me you talking me wo the root no no o fe la lu won mari emi ogo e to ha mo ma the root of everything ni when now o be so ge goson wo bo we na la o give so go bi ju bo we na be la o iye ko gbe gi to ti result na fi onu gbe daju ma la janu to se nu no abi you wa but ga no na ara gbon ugbo bo kan tun eno ruta ma mo go tun ewe o mu go jo hu ni that is what you told me o gi gu na me na do we boyfriend and girlfriend ke kanu ina we no wo pie no wo pi fi ha ni dega no ya pie ogo kaje Nigeria na igeri na bo akegwe na pe ugwe ni ese gin ayi go me bi ugwe ni ese gin ayi go me bi iye go you are the most betrayer so far when me ya gbo ke ya phone even we ya lu apia ju gwa mi melo ebe ka we yu nwera era abo ya metifo I don't move me boy I go oti lo me subi aye joshone la de anu sin ade you get me ujere gane mi ni na kwaso no pia we start where you block you because me egu we are gbere e mu to be gbe ya de because you are betrayer we don't fear ba me wu ogba what that for where you report mo that for we we Nigeria we gi go gbu we na go take baby life video we magi ka we don't fear me wu ogba me na you got want that we what kind of the planet we kere I me ga agwa le kai ke nu we kere me mae be no me wu vie nu da nu pe me na debe nu wo metivere abi me na kuma o meje ko be na ge me no rabora agwa me ni eti u ina e ko nwa ma ya na ape me wo bo ni se Suzy o se Suzy o se Suzy o se na bomba na bi to ka we egun na wo keke gare amega kabi agbon ni ruga ameke nu kesila eri o ya la dia la video esa because unwe charge friend me una ya go ti oni eri o no aseto u bere so eso we dey bogodo nu wi ana to gbo e bagbon ge te ma disgrace we ni ha e ba ya ni gbe camera de yo fie e ma ya ni gbe camera eri ya de yo fie of fie yan deji of fie yan deji meti e bo no gbe camera o mu dia camera ori ye ke because ohun ya gbe kan ayabe ya mo pe ogogbo tu kan no eso ebu na mi ebe to ni meka bugwe all day from God or God so e mekin au salo pashi manage me I mere okay me lugai me o ma ne kweki aga ri aga ibio a he so salo baru da kweki aga be fo magbe ama iti e soken ati e so ogi me ye beri o are you getting me I mere to bless you me to kian me fe hiun ori e gbe so e beri o ni e mekin o salo pari manage me ni to ya kian me fe hiun ori eso e beri oni mekin eso e na eru de kweki afoma ra ohe na ari eri oma me gbe so e beri oni o eso e na yi ba win the loteria e gboni eso e ni mekin I may so because I'm a blessed child to my mother. I came to clean my mother's tears. E gbe so e beri oni mekin o agbe kan me mana gbe kan wo mi e gbe okonu si me sa mo kai be de e bo de you understand e bo de iye go abia you wa on umu apology de ko we my son agu we gugu bo si ko na gbe e bebe no ya sin o I told you na we be careful o kian lo kian pie na ina de no abia bi nu kwa lo be gbo bi o kana na ga ni ha umi o ene ni ha o seke me to pa be live video o ta u gbo be wo hu asa ogui me to pa to we be u gbe be me a ni ana to pa da we be ege no wi amimi na ahu gwenu na agbe kwa de keke na age wo fun nu na mi se flower wa fry e boss e gabu we wo aga hi o ga hi o wi amimi ga gi tu gbe gboto ne be nu we ta se u tete ne giabi o ga ibi o gboto ne be na teroka wa hi e phone o to agbe me be live video e ko ari eri we wo wa Me ma etokpa yegbe ma wo gba kan to we be. E ga nu gwe na ri me no via mi no ga gbe be keke be deve tu we deve tu he. We ma e got be wo wa. We mi ni be ga afia. Uwe mi ni ga afi. Yare Nigeria. Ovia mi bi kekbe okome. Ori emeri. O se pa gbe ma bi ye to ya kwa kwa be Nigeria. O go sa we be so wo gbe mama ko ya ko enwe. Erigi mi ese wo be go me be yade. Yo we kebi ma e boro e present arokpa mi. Le di o e do sa bas person no ka give me 1 era. Igi e do bori yen 1 era all my people. Eni e pese be Nigeria me anybody 1 era de. Igo me ya yo we kebi. Iya kekbe okome. Iya go ga hiye ne o ke je mi atie be ni ya ka me ye bo igwe ne ga gigo bia mi gwaru da we ekweki afi yebu iyegu ye go me maka mu gwe ga debe ni ana de buda o me mata mu we do suo ni adi me mata mu we ge gbege be ni ana de buda o did I told you o beg any of my people e die mi na gbo na ri oji o ma no we mi esi e wi esi o mi no we mi dan on mi ijego ekena ameke laha evana kezowo yi ovia mimi na saga ivetene na saga oriyo e masati mwe because was emi o trigger ABP emi e fa trigger ABP either you have heart problem or you are into stress emi o trigger cardiac arrest either you have hypertension or you can have a heart failure or your cardiac arrest. Are you getting me? I remember that time, in my social media, Sagama easy. A matter bullying the 2019 or email social media. 2020, I mean to say, sorry guys. 2020 or email social media. My first video, the first video was the day the live video. It was normal. If they can't do moyela to ya debunk I want me put social media now. If I take believe. But the only people not going to believe you give my own beuba. On you have a share get father ni ababu beu back here. Keke have share get mother ya no si beu. E maro no si beu. No ego magele heme. But they cannot come to social media and say it where. E mata gele no. Okuona oma oe. A lot of people. All those share get mother. All those share get father. Iya ni jabe harate bun. Kabia ni jaboro ego ya fibiku. Kabia ni jagbashawo vi Switzerland. Iya egi ma beu. But nobody could come out deny for me where Okona ma where the only person on here mamo kwame or Monica or magele mo kwame yere metobi me or mamo kwani me evigi logo mande my people mama amagi mi ofure vi ko abi logo mane. Are you getting me my people? Amagi mi ofure vi ko abi logo mane. Oh no, say anybody no info for Sagani. I will never forgive them. I will never make friends with any of them. Okona miwe iwe patuna ro wesi wa be yo gwese tv they talk about where to allegwe later it cannot possible because in any experience during that period. Did you know where someone is disgracing you in the national TV without to mama minu all your 2 leg banner yafe? That is where I become Suzy. That is when I become a famous person around the globe by rubbishing my name with a guy I don't even know. I have never got Scandinavia one day. Ima oden alaye Scandinavia, ima la ni de, ima ye no gwe dem aye dem aki dem aye Sweden dem ya gbon ri owe. A country ni ejo, Italy, Spain, Holland, France, Germany. Ofo. Avebo ni ke ma ejo de, ma ye Greece de. Enegu me fe bogi ye Portugal ni na de Portugal mana transit. La flight in France. Ofo. Umanaga wa no egbe ni me ya wa no egbe no gwe osasa wonu no mo egbe mekin. O ma understand me? Eva ni meke hawe ew. Be managi wegbe megi wegbe de. The only person on egi ma wegi mamo kwame e Monica egi mamo kwame obiere. Me ego mamo kwame. Iye so konpa no abuli iye bavi me support iye agbe me bai. Haki agi se ni me ye me ni ata. Na ya gele believe go mamo kwame. We ni gbase. But people amo me the social media so not believe. The only person no be a presenter. Ni amie viola ti anoga atawe okuona obi ma okpa eva iye joy nana. I remember having ugbaye joy na wo ma okpa eva we aya mo ebo o ma ekpa eva we aya mo ebo. She say it often and often keke be mama mi laki o ma okpa eva we aya mo ebo. The rest social media platform yanike They was saying this na wow. Person we are not know for. I better you go na be akon ni ruke. Ima okpe ani ba o. Iyo ma no so. Imagine me one on one. Bedi ma wo na me abe pop okpe ani ba o ni a. Bedi ma wo so kwe magbera ije o maybe I am because I'm a public figure, but I cannot recognize him because I have never met that guy before. Imagine no way de. Are you getting me, my people? Iyo ma no wow everything me be ni ya travel but he me boy igbo ma video make you call ma be control we we give no one close it down no blessed dominion you call your butter. Are you getting me, my people? It was never or my easy me begini. The only person on la on tie or say pagwe Monica iye jona we do tie do oviere na la jona to we ma moku ya ma me go pa na ya moku ya iya boy ma be gun seri on ya ma we iya boy ma e gun kelekele ma boy ma gun just like any Monica wa be follow ya be comment yori o wa yi nada mas e mi ro pa maro iye no be la dia okay wa ga di saga o no be do saga iya be dragging you dragging ere e bi ni ma be on boy on wo e abe mo echi hu that dog na ga see me hu e hia okay e sagani e ma soro no ti mo kin iya ye sagani ya gbe depression kin ya me la social media na gbe me na do ewe e ma soro no si ko we aga humiliate we ko are ni wu wa o ma emi be ne ma so we ra humiliate we yan afie ba we va e humiliation maybe 2020 e ya ma abo se bi o ma ni wo go me no ma ya fefe ni ti mama Suzy we den na word no wa ya na ma me ba gbon through that sagani e ya the first day this one we live video we live ladia was the day imwe bodo yasin ne gbemene ike free or you make do soto. I swear to God me mwe bola dia ne do yasin ne gbemene make do free we wow. Now I have cleared my conscience. Are you getting me, my people? Or my easy erija la social media na but because I bear you why it's not or my de courageous say e o ma no gwale mi no ton obi ere ma we mete e tafia ja ki o ya de yo buwa enye ya bo lebe na bo lo ije go na ka mi pe awe ni agari o je se me no tayo ka ije joy e abia you why e ge no to ya eje joy was too late we ge no ya eye go I don't believe in ije joy ara pass no pe a okpopa why e ga wa kwasha wo say e ke no be rie weri o isi ashawo ni rie weri o be the only thing ije go specialize yi o ebe na ya we ka be sumo boy o be si no na be ma ina be na ye go okwo na magba no tu wegbe ona I tell me tell you etiti oge my people igwa to oge ibe no ebe na je na okwo na magba no tu wegbe owo magbagbe owi akari egboko be yan na no dio tin be gbe owo wa favor yan ibi agbon ni oge iya gbata mo wa ni kiara onu gbe no kwi kiamu no ruda magbe amagbe no rikian e na egwebo abo tana yati na ye go Emmanuel wa we no ladi anodo sayo mo no na je na no na je na metamugwa ona na ri anusin. Are you getting me, my people? David obi ere gba pa ni ona gba pa be obi nu wa ya saga obi ere na lawa amategbe regbe to agbe obi amimi no opalu senu na riso po ege no ogi ke ni ago magile ni yen na aka o igo pa o money dog go o ti lo o iwa ona gije go omu ene yesun agbeje go ne ona wari apia you wari ona agbeje go apia you kwate la gba no mai tebe we me eke na apia you kwa total obi amimi na asie la jo no we no to gbe mi ugbebo igwa ho ne gwe opie fie ha no tije go ni agwati ate batemi fie ha no te yari obokon wure ama agwata ya temi fie ha na wure gbe yakokere be na we na ye gwa bi fie ha iye gogwe matagele no de udo tama megwe de tevi na ma gboko na ya etame udo tama megwe be na ma bia wagije na ma me no se nunu ne gwe beti la dia na to koko no ho na agwono na pagwe igwa gbe na fie ne gbugbu abia we o wa gbeje ko gbe kosugo si ame no gbadu we do tame megwe ono we be message ku kwaju for ugbo bi wo ho a ugwe ogeta bia you wa travel abia you wa wo egbe gbegi she's not coming again anymore bye bye no otiton agbe gbegi mi ona she's gone forever imi na hen na amegbe unwa menu sina we are talking of human life I'm not take part in the way can you go na rocky way if other people is scaring of you I'm not scared my man if you like I give you any secret you can come and say I don't give a F who cares did you have anything to say about me I wash you well we are no your hospital when we are tired me heaven me bio me vanu pa me maso gwanya me vanu so we ugwe mweko we na bio pa we na bia no do no give her me or me fa me wapi no kwa free of charge or one come free of charge maybe messing when me tell mess you they be make ata bo bi yeke me my time live video better mo gege obi make gba wa there be yeke obi me no we that year about what security the record here. One thing I don't discuss or when I'm making me so clear anyhow very my with you to have that is another thing entirely. I don't go close to that because that is not my thing. I might go out to tag so I don't really believe you have any of my secret. But in case if you have any audio, I will appreciate if you come and play it and let people see your shame and disgrace. Yes. I will appreciate you if you come and play it. What is my business? It's here we make no second no slam. Here ya can't see upon you any have yeke because I tell you you don't see any have buy. Oh, for you to know that I don't give a F. Who get me? Me a can't see upon it over me, it's every yeke buy another see upon and we are going I moment. Of your yacht and Rimela. Oh, Mama will talk, but on your brother very any police scenario was I don't give a F. So how many audio you can come and play it? Who may go away? You understand? You don't get my pickles. That one clear for there. Ba we magbagbo mari le ma we ma be si egbe yo genu da meti le luwe we kebi okan be ye side ni. Okay, so the only thing you specialize you be na ya we keep ye kale le ya kia oni ekenu we leader be you why when I be you why we gbe ya le luwe we settle oni okpa me magi ewo maybe ya what one sun come a conversation u de no tun me na ya rie ne ni go una okay problem iro wa boy na do settle if not o man we go pay ni man ya mo awaji we gbe maybe ya na change here 5 minutes after 12 na imiere o wa do kion se we ge o wa we gbe kion se wo ma so ge do kin u ja egbe ri o wa u gbe ni ge gun ke saga no via mi saga eke ya wo the father wo the beginning and the end we saga ni o ma no te mata ya wo ma bi pon yo yiko. Are you getting me, my people? O ma we ni meje mi akin at 7 I mege kene ne meke the root of the matter ama be fie na no rodo hu na be fie no roto a. Let's be sincere. Iye be tsa iye go. Uga ega ni ti no kosa ne property or ye no tun daji. We no real adia. Okay? Because a boyfriend no. Okwo ma bia no ma jo ma mi rie. Okwo na mo bobo mu go jo hu. Enso ma bia ne. Isi return any TV ro paropa na agwa e o. No ni mu ye position ge. We no return e family oge. Omate eke na do me we maybe do drag we come and say this if your brother is owing whatever omate eke na you no drag we it's a shame to your personality we no gba say you might not ke when you are the right time e be ya nije joy tie na have you go ya not said na date 13 date 15 date 16 date 20 iye joy re babo si go na betu we ga re babo si go ni uga re ba ye go bo si go ni you told me where you are the eyesore ogi wu ne no maseti to se no no eri yeke ibi agbon wa bege wa yo no na ya wan egbu wa o wa yo na ya wan egbu wa eri abo se we boje o aja sawo wo save na me bo na kin ibi agbon ni ri oge ana ya sawo ya wo save na me bo na kin of here adeji o of here adeji my people agawa ji gbe aga wo save na wa adeji na kin e se ma disgrace na ya wo na kin na ologo ma na mi oge no e no awon je gbe so ologo ma na mi egbe ebe ya ni je joy tie na what about the pena kwije goa degi je joy no ki kale ne nebi je go no gugwe bo we do tell listen no gugwe agbunu gbo enu bekenu je umetu do so nu okwo na we are ti fe boyo gba ti obo kan to wedding ije go mega mo pola je we do fe boye pofe bo tu we kan ateri abia wa sota we are ti do fe pon ya e job ma wa ya ga ki bekenu je job ma job woman e wa ga aje agwegi iyogi jo yen egeni ya on we ni okwo na je are life okwo na je are life because ye jo e kan mi pe amona e kan mi pe amona oh baby for example ye jo na mo pomo no pe o kan no dey neutral person awa no ye get maybe no to part of anything that have to do with social media o tu we na kasi jo sire ne na ya sie jo sire se na we ye koin ni aka ya sie jo sire awe ge ye koin ni ya se jo sire graduate ne gwa to stoko o ton we graduate no eri no na no doctor no lawyer no igo na ya sige school de boy ni eki meta me megeta mufo agwari no ruwa pa no ya keke na kin obono keke bi saiwe agwa ewe ogede na to keke bi saiwe agwo hoye e graduate ne me no gwa loko no kin amwela webu iye go no we fele na feliri we feel that felidi umame ti invitation no no to or no pay no ma take a yego or money appear you work pa never walk up mu ne o cause o ka o ma o give am o ge ama ona ai ogbobo be no gije na ni obe ropa ro iyego ya kokigo wa me 10,000 euro wa me ma no ya go to do gi o me oba mo like we body be business is business money stop bullshit. Okay, I never see graduate way in no sabi toast woman. Ima o. Even at the even general agbonidi way, I even toast to hope. Hegede na spoke ko, I will give me 1 week. I wa gija team me na tegije na. Otun gbe kwa fi awon bo bete kwa team me. Wo gija one keke yawo, o igumwere. A o no keke no rie go tu ko gbe gberi e yo to. Pian, you understand. If you're not give me a very easy work, I spoke here. If you're a logo, na spoke. If you're a logo, na spoke. Nana mega kwede dekpe webo. Oh, no pay me 300. Kekebe. Azagidi. Habu tete no na. Ne. Utete no uge soma. Habu tete. Habu diabe ron kabe loko. E introduce ne. Because you are very desperate to go no more to like. Or to work in America pele. Slippers lesen enya. E oto ya eme webu. E bejo oba eku. America do desi oba eku. Eriye mi gilo wa se Jesu logi o salobwa eyere we bona eyero we no rie Burkina Faso no ya we business we do abroad ye no we are like Kotoni you live in abroad because it's foreign Nigeria. Are you getting me, my people? That just it. Okay, we are imagine hey what about we mama how about say we so no be te we ne de magbalo me be nu kwajenu wagbari hu me me ya be te we na what about we ho ni. But wait it tage mata itana. The truth is bitter. Eke na magi agwaji ne mata gije. Eke na magi agwaji ge mata ra. Wagi amwesa fuwa nagaku o. Esogi ma o. Ikwa mase obi yeme. Eriyo no my people. Obi ere tele na bia you wate le bua. O tele bua ye go na wa you go na fin e very na. Iye go yo $300,000. Iye go ma America. Iye go de kwa bia you wa ne Canada na kan na jo. Iye go na ka wa kwa be chiffon e gabardine avec coupion e tafeta avec baby lace avec itian wear avec damas ni carry we go ba for awon wa kwa ye pese na kwa ari America. Iye go ye Canada yo na ka ari America. Okpe na we ye go ke ari America. Iye go ma va America ma va Canada betu iye go ona ka visit America. Ona ka visit America. Ega gwe mana ya bia ju gwa ma kwa wuri Canada. Uma posu pon gie gwe ma mi egbugwe posu ko na mi ga bia ju gwa u we posu pon we gie. Abia ju gwa gi la we lafi ne gwe na ye gugwe mu egbe. I ga bia ju gwa boro wo return e go ni na ki gu sebu. I go ni ma we egbe. No. Je go wu gbebe gboko na. Igo na bia ju gwa boro we ye go wu return any the money. Igo ni abia ju gwa ma we egbe mi no je go ni we egbe un. Every go your talogy. Even self for one where you go to a cat in a where you go get Mama, measure no your tea egoni, honor pot you on a query. Honor when you measure no your tea egoni. Every year that you want open where we have a fear of your dish. Even the book has set it matter. Make your met it away with Dima, where is society of body me matter, nigga time. Possible. I be yaun and then appear you were in society. Okay. Wagia benenemi na gbowe your pana maybe no maka wagia temata way. There is no need na ya can ya want a society no na society na me I'm a very neutral person. Are you getting me? Good evening, Madali Osagi. Wagia gboden wagia temata you way. Wa no me ni ye go no say ni ye go na we de gbe ya Europe ya se ho na we de gbere. Abo wa ma understand even the atasin. O via mi we man like e. Ye go beta me go via mi ma take e seriously. You obe kwe force e yo we no lele. Ye na we ozigo nu umo wa yo tonabo. Ije go gwanu gwe bobe Nigeria igere we ya bo gwane ya. Nana mi egwu kwa ma gegbe o ka bia ju gwa. Una we no ya ugwe gi kamovia mi na ya gbeshen troe. Ije go. Ugwe be u. Ekuki okpa ni ya. Otolai. Usile uogwe rai eroda for we. Ere small boyfriend. Una siliparira. Una asagbade Burkina Faso. ora agbade Niger Republic una asere gie e broketi na kebe Republic of Benin una ase mate dona ya sagbada una asere gie oni ga yagbada ni oye nugujewu wo ga te bono pate bono ko Mama Vivian, good evening ma. Good evening everyone. Ogi sagbada Burkina Faso ne bi agbon ni ruge. Ona ade material ni akebe Niger Republic ona ya sagbada ne. Oni igba mo ne na agbada jo ne go o imo gbaja ne oye nugujewu. Agbada ni wekin awun oja gade ya gbope a ogi sagbada ni mo ne ona ihe otutu no mo no wan ye ni a omu ene ni a be mata mu wegede do bi okana aso agbo wegwe obi o to ga pe o ijo jagbe obi o to ga pe o ijo jagbe obi o to ga pe o ijo jagbe o emi negi ariri mama damo hu akin aya mu eya. Did I told you? Did I told you that a day like this will come? Iyego, to go fear no dejinia. A family appear you wa wa. Iyego, or drag appear you wa. Iyego appear you wa no do on behalf of the family. Iyego is the one that kidnap appear you wa to the early grave on behalf of the entire Epa family. Woja e no do. Woga pass even a pass a cargo. Because you beg her anyway, she's already in stress. Iye goga pass every agboniri. When that then I understand. Maybe I don't have time to repeat it and repeat it again. Why I get from the beginning. Ovia mi mini we ma we mo e. Iye go be to boy with me mess very well. Or we ma we me. Yon tama e. Over no gbele star nu e. Over no rigo nu e. Iye go is a betrayer. He's a betrayer to abia you wa. Oh no guduku ona agbe omeri. Iye go na gwa abia you wa ga wekia ona ga kama abia you wa we ijo da fon yen kin. Ona ga kama abia you wa ijo da fon yen kin bi agbon ni ri oke. Imagine where someone will claim that is the godmother to your boyfriend. At the same time, the godmother will be joining you to do the Ekia, and you will be doing the online, and the godmother your so-called mother-in-law will be doing the bed. Iyego, wa no me, there iyego makeke na si yego amonoba. Waga igagie. Una feel look this thing say na funny thing, but I am so hot, I feel pain, because if I look from the origin, the beginning of the whole scenario of this game of Oludo, they play with this lady. I feel so pain. I feel so pain. They play a gamble, a rough gamble, a rough draft. They play with this innocent soul. Okay, my people. They abuse her. They rough-handle her. Then why are offando physically, spiritually, and you saloba when the kaya offando waya. Unero ila kibuwe. O ponogiro ye. Nogis your way, nogin ye here, physically or spiritually or ponogimo ye. Now where so no matter talatia. Or your beleze waya here. Why go free? Because even wamaji why that in wayar ye. Why me right very why boko na or damegbe. Iye go mo ko na kia social media na we ni avole na woli tun. Be na woli pepe. Iye go mo tun na ga volo yo pon. Iye go na ga pass no ku kan. O na ga pass ni bi bieleka. Ni bi bieleka ga kwa ko boya bia you why e bo lie. Baby script for me, baby script for me. I bet you waga yo bo wi afien. Ha o me ma seri akwa yo bo wi afien. Ne boya gbe mo gbe no ta la dia gbe ni oge. No dare Nigeria ni. No be ya got you do or live screen me no. Be you wa me. E me we da me wa my sister. Wa ri agbon abi wa izomo se gbera me. Uzomo se go se kia ba e. E kia ya ga pe mu so lelewe. Ha wo saloboa. Yon pajare awe tolu ebo. Ari eba we bo godo. Iyo da fon we gigu we kia. E best friend we gu e gigu we kia be DJ go ya betray the we. Ibi agbon ni ri oge. Wa do ge mi na gbon wa gbon e. Wa do ge mi na gbon wa gbon e. Iye go Britain to hona. From the highest level. Oma no go over we kia o ma no do me president yo ma bai. I'm telling you. On no account. On no account. Don't ever close to anyone, even though you don't know, say that your ex to your boyfriend or now ex to your ex-boyfriend, ex is koi. Anybody know you go man we care them, my people. I see koi. Are you getting me, my people? It's so painful, my people. Why do you understand? Eko ya balomwa. Oko na okwe social media. Ufu mo yan gbeji. Iya, that is evilebote ondareti. Iya ondareto humana. Iya rio e hati ya ego me. Abia you papa ye gba okeke bete hate very small. Very small. You have a heart of a baby. It's very easy to brainwash. Did you know the day she called on my platform? She will even say that, I believe it. Of your honey told in a way voice say no. Oh my believe. Iye go ye yata ba every yeke we. I believe. Oga I believe you ya me ya we ye go. Our amma we ye ke ama. I believe ye go ge physically no ge to here we toilet na ye bu koni. E keke na gyo. A ogba no sa we. A ogba no we. Because you are a betrayer from the highest level. Ekinu dona wa be mi to do eda ma be. I wish we saw the lesson. My darling. A boss even ya no gige gona. We bag imagine. Iye go the social media wa operate even ya nana. Hagi on sa gwe Nigeria be no ya operate every agbon ni uge. Hagi on wo wa no sa gwe zaga be Nigeria. Ahon hagi on wo wa no zaga egbe ma be na. Yen seti gbe ti orere na be live video. O seti priwo share ro ma na be live video. Unu no wo to keka. Unu nogi ube to keka. My people. Eriok Betty o, what papa me na? You not do understand eh? You understand that na we ye boy. This woman is a very delinquent. It's a someone what you might be. There was a day, a saga na aro. A saga waje a saga panoga aro. Onaga of your kanike ke ye boy ga no. At the end of the day, ijore na do we video ona wo giye boy. Ogiwe video giye boy na. During the time of saga, me and not come for injury. You understand? This woman, iye gonna la live video. Ona avie. Ona ga go be na go take be na muri eki. Iye go phone be no go phone. Are you getting me? Ina we live video jo. Ina we ye gonna atie or you wene iye gonna ga tie bo. No man no je mo ya gbon akan ona do e. Ori do e phone. Iye gonna we gbe ade to team e we gbe. You understand? Ye no kwa enenemi. Me na kamena we ye go. We aka we ma me video. I'm just using it to make an example. We aka ma me video di jore ukie. Iye boy abuta to makosa ni ye boy kosa ne ijore this time. We ma bege e na woman. The video na send there again. We ga ige ne we gbe ade live video. Nu gbe do retrieve for re nu we ti ni. I was waiting for iye go. Imami o e degi gbe gidi won na gafa e na we gbe we video na we gbe mu kun mi sango go gbe e bo no tie ni no me na go back to e. You get me? You cannot think go beta ma we yego ereru go yera gede ereru gbe to bugwe gbe mi enwa overgrow size e we hin uwe ufie enwa ji uma ita na babe mana na kwa koi na ereri ma osogo na enwa we gwa betray to ma mo ori ugwe bobo ilelewe ogasogu we melelewe hu ogazoge na so lelewe solo are try again you get me u feel good smart yeah it's ye boy wokona it's a Rick Maro. You are in a theater. Who do you want to come and play with me? Because of what you have man bow. One idiot no so what? Because you feel where just why betray that bill. That was the reason. That kind of nonsense you don't try it in my territory. You don't try it in my territory. Because here I game in go appear you work me. E call ya wa balomo. E game in where appear you wa play or what me. Because I bear you what tell one. Ugbebe a smallini or maggie bad have a smallini. I bear you what for don't want house. Nobody talk about I bear you why gay. She be don't go oh. Everybody they sagara. Those guys they sagara also say that so they give them money. You go come they cry enemy. And I'm here now. As I ever beg. I beg what you go other way. Evani mena egije go, you are ungrateful, you might be from the north. Or manori you go to Gwene, if you marry ever, I'm a bomber ye go. I played you was a day with you pay one run Gwene. When I go wake ya go, send a movie show out. A bear who will be me. A set to your one period why I read. The only thing of your set to free will bomb. A jeep attack by to go where it will be me. In case we were security men water and a code to tie, because you make an amuria. I don't get to even in your lose. By Tana, or what they even many, no many, Mary high. Ya can't you. Nobody no be say we family no can tie. You get me? Monya feed. Mo take a ball wala. Do we man way. My Tana, Abuma over ya putaga de Bahama and one Google see me, cause here ya de Bahama. They don't tell me. In case you have any secret in the or Nita in any number, the Benny presenter, you can come out and say it. I don't give a F. I don't care. Then we are not those said, where be you why? The only thing I can set you were free. Yari bear you wacky. I bear why you I will let you go. I bear you why you I will let you go. Anything no cause I bear go worry big can hagboke yafu. Finish. That is the only way I will let you go. Because okona pa na woman mo hona we de gbeya mu no tun. I don't think. He said, I feel Mama ego is worse than because fear people wait no they talk. Mama ego cash Abiyawa from back. She is not innocent in all this. Thank you, my darling. You can say that again, frankly. Only ye ke mwe because here umabege maso only see sometimes this one will sound a lesson to a lot of people. When you have a friend, please egg your my wicked points you way. My Tana, I bet you will have a tough heart. It's easy to believe people. And whatever my it was Brigoshi Abiyawa. Ola so de redolo ye kinye. Olo da ore. Imina no. Nene mi ola re. Enekere. Eseveriana. Agwe na u. Nene mi ayeze so enyegbere. You know, Abiyawa is the kind of person that if you talk, she just believe you. The same way I believe her. Beba ya gata my mama we carry na woge no wasile gudo. Ona we mama we carry wesilo ho gudo. Not by where mama we carry we ho gudo. Not by where mama we carry we. De no give fine wo do je. Since you dump me na we. To mana dump na. E ka se de wire. Over gross size. I dump you na. O ya mimi. Imere kezo. Habi ko di kokona ri ala ke kibieka. Udu gwa ma bo se gbibieka ne. Abusing of fake ya. Emana atelige if you buy said do ni give me magay. Emana ga lot ni give me mak pot you my people. The need that we ought to only tell yourself wow. Oh wa we fe ni have no we take pretend. If e wa je bi agbon ni ri. Oboko tebe Jesse we na wa ko get on wa ge. Ogi gemefo. Ona tayo da for me o na we kiana. Ona are no pot e ma ya no be sikeme no be that no be sin ko na bi ro. Mo pa wa asin. Oyi wa fe na wa ko ge yo megbe. Ibekana give my people. Ekwega amumi. Imabe we na wasa voa. Ina we because ina je no ona we ma wo. Ona we ma be wo. Eni egbase. E no se na sa voa. Ina do jere video no wu no ya aka we ni ya mo ebogbo ma. Ina do jere e video no wu no na wa bia yu wa asa na ma we ni ma wa jin egbe. Ina do jere bebo ni ateri ege queen. Ina do jere all those wayo. My people na wasa voa. I'm telling you guys. Ina wasa voa. Ina ri oku na ya. Ugbomo no gwomo vie. Eri ye gojea. Na ekebe ka me mega shawo osioma. Me mae tetemete. Igbijo ko na me na gele ga shawo osioma. Okay, my people. Iye go is a delinquent human being. He's a delinquent human being from South. I'm telling you guys. Better go back to sleep. I tell you. Better go back to your sleep. No that you may not baby. Yes, I want to do me now. You're me on Iye go ubesha ugbi. because wa me ebolo la wani say America we Canada a message na wuwa ino aweki abubudo imajo do aweki awabe e Canada America abeje meje opi me you gotta do this, you gotta that. I don't give a f me awa me budo abe unfortunate South America bezigi kwere ni abe a way of money we ya South Africa we ya awe am budo wala wa ame passport ne wa gagege kia be gbebudo wa afia ge European Union be diana na ipe akpo be dia wa agwale je wano yo pokia orema wa agwale ni wan orema different one iya yare mana no ami osoto e yare dia because wa be kia ga gbo ma gbe osi ebeme o wa be kia ga gbo ma gbe o mama na ese no bakia o ye kun kiama o ma no ma ese no bakia o yo ko mi black mercies o ko no ma ese no bakia o na bakia o ye homo balance o ye homo imbalance homo balance o ya ware o ko ma ese no bakia na bakia or see about those emergency mini pause. Emergency mini pause. Thank you, my daddy leader. You can say that again. Okay? Wala Canada, America, we kia wa bebo do. Wa egu wa me kia wala ho. Maybe wa mala kavia ni si Morocco, ave bobo crash. Ave bebo mali do. Wa mala keni. Wa ame passport ne. Wa ha boge di anana. Inwina berema. Iya woman in wina bebe no ya ya wo we ti wa wina we ye gbu we who the depression no ga lare re ga saga na bia gboni ri oge e gia mama. I'm telling you no wina be ri e okay who they work the shop benu na benu ni deba na ari ye ko bene ko ni deba iru da we ko ma oja eri u hebe jo ma me oja be gbe kia. Are you getting wa ge ye go nia no waya ege kia we ma responsible ogize toli yego iyego magi mie have di o ma na ruagi mu we jemi ona wari obi amebi ona ro fanto we see me say you kokoroko in 5 minutes after 12 emergency immediately alacrity without consideration without even take the implication of that care in future in case oh well no I'm going to do this thing I don't know if it's going to be a delinquent situation till further notice. She never think about the consideration. She never think there's going to be a delinquent situation. Ori yene ona ye gbudu. E de no be la dia be do kwa mamu we yene we na agba de tema da UPN. Una aye kupun ari asari asen. Elesi weni we ege na ya mi. Ege na ya mi pata na tie lazoni. Ege na ya mi ave lesini ya. E lazoni agigbe lazoni. Ama we ta agbe lesini. E vote afeta keke we vote kupun. Aye jeni ya. Ukpona ye kupun 27 years ago. Ave style weseleni, old style weseleni. E style ija peji. Ave ji fiefa. Ija wo okon mi. We igbalete mata UPM ni. Ure. Ufiele di we ni amu gbugbe ugyo ma kiengele. Ina ibo ibe to target yon wan eboy. Ore. Be mege MS me na bi agbenejo. My sister nothing do you. One love my sister. Carry her. Oh God. This guy is too much. Ime wu yene. Wa mamu wo de mamu we. We ga take we ga we sagani. We ma take consideration situation of the delinquency, the era of the infrastructure of ekeri we na we kiaring. We ma take about we ma take we ekian we ya uni is a rofando ekia. In 5 minutes after 12, you call emergency coming without consideration. We ma take what are you going to be facing? So we here do latia. O hambo hime mamu we me a come for you we me a ho we here ye kiani. Me na command we do betray. Eru we na we bona waga. Me waji. Me na ti e bilo we me ya. O amamu we o ga vegu we kiani. O ma take me ni a we. O ame mamu. Don't be silly, my friend. For you not to take away way, no ya way away anywhere. Anything not they happen, say war, anything can happen, say war. I will tell you where something will happen. Because where you were for that care, that small boy was insulting me. He make a devil who can devil to it without consideration. You are moku ne fiete. What an greedy. No sensica buhere. Baby no kuwa. I heard you, my darling. How you day? Maybe you have a year by now. So that is it, my darling, amazing people. Here go anybody where want follow you go make friend. Carry your husband run away from her. Already no ya repekiani. Oko no seti we kiasi a wiwi o matike o matike we ebi na anaga feva kwe a disgrace no. Oko no seti we kiafo ne ona be gie boy no be we be gi ota fon egbe no ya we bene o salopa me ni go do ai. Ero vi mebu bi aje we ma be no suru social media. We no gbe me mo nyime do ge ni age ni mo nyime se ro. Free of charge ya bi o me fa no ma mo go jo me ma wo gbo na. Ge gbo ni ha. Obi gbo wa mo go jije ko hu. E go so wa ri ona polewa. Si awi bi e keke ro fun. E bon si re ofun e keke na ro bopa. Oya bole kiawa. O ma ke without consideration. Ona ye be kie bota fun no ya we passport ye be ne. Can you imagine? Agbonava ya nyi my people arene. Eri mami o be social media now. Eri o go gide irresponsible say. Ije go ya timonia. E bere mama jo traditional tiena. Ave October 15. Ve na miegwe o abito salopa mi no suro na we no ko na ya pritave be ni. Ona ko ya pritave be ni ve igwe ya sek be. No ya declare oge Tunisia walagbon. Yes, I'm telling you guys. E beniro. Ona ko ya fe ni mama joy. Oko wa ata be mege pe no kwe mama joy ni. Ugwa ki ata be megwe. Ije ko settle dia do kwa mi no ense. Okay, when I tell you na ya. Ovi okani gwa mame go rokpa.